Let's talk about the latest launched Google smartphone Pixel 8. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display with 6.2-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 85.5% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 428 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with the 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 10.5 megapixel wide-angle camera, located in punch hole display. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 screen on top the device, under the hood. The phone CPU is Nona Core, powered by Google Tensor G3 chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715 SMC10 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 150.5 by 70.8 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 187 grams, and the color options obsidian, hazel, rose, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4575 mAh battery, with 27-watt fast charging and 18-watt wireless charge support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and 3 microphones, and a USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, and with IP68, dust and water resistant, and NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Google Pixel 8 has been start from $699 and expected priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 163,999 Pakistani rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 183,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.